Hello everybody and welcome to Stoke Driving School. So we're really proud to announce our raffle. Now we tried this a few weeks ago and a young lady called Sophie actually won 10 hours, which she's been starting to take this week. So this raffle now has 500 places. Each ticket is £2. And what we're looking for is, the way we're going to run it is in the comments below, just give us your name and what number you want. Then your name, once we receive payment, will be put by that number. You can buy as many tickets as you want and we can put that number, your name by the number. Once we've filled all the places, then we will do the draw. So the draw will go live and you will see whoever wins name come up, and they can either contact us or we will contact them by Facebook. Those 10 hours will be then accredited to their account and they can take them as they wish. So remember, you can be someone who's coming up to the test, failed their test, want extra lessons. You can put this towards an intensive course, or you can just use it for your weekly lessons, whichever you want to do. So good luck everybody, and yeah, let's see a winner.